Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is another tutorial on Bitwarden. Today I'm going to demonstrate to you how you can save your passwords using Bitwarden default settings. And then stay tuned in this series because I'm going also to cover the settings step by step on upcoming tutorials. Remember to subscribe and click on the like button to support my work. So to get you started, once you've installed Bitwarden on the browser of your choice, for our case we are using Opera, the first thing you do is to go to the settings of this browser, and then we have to disable the automatic password prompts by the browser. What this means is that we have to disable the browser from saving your passwords automatically or prompting you from saving your passwords. So click on the browser settings, then click on go to full browser settings, and then once you are on this page you can search for password. Once you search for password at the top here, you can click on this option, and then you can disable this option so that your browser doesn't prompt you to save your passwords. So switch this option off, and also you can also switch this option off. Then once you switch these options off, you are ready to use Bitwarden Password Manager without interruptions from the browser. We've disabled our automatic passwords prompt by the browser. The next step is let's go to a site like booking.com, and then let's try to create an account. So make sure before you go to the login page of the website that you want to save its credentials, you've logged in into your Bitwarden extension. Make sure it's unlocked. So just enter your master password. The reason for this is that if the plugin is not unlocked, it will not be able to prompt you to save the passwords of the pages that you visit. So let's just create an account and see how Bitwarden will behave since we have unlocked it and we are ready now to use it. So we'll enter our email, and then we'll just enter our password. Then we'll confirm the same password. Then we'll click on create account. So in some instances, Bitwarden might not prompt you for your password, so you can just log out of your account and then try to log in again. And once you try to log in again, it will prompt you to save your password with this pop-up at the top here. So what you do, wait until the page loads and logs you in, and then just click on yes, save now. So once you click on yes, save now, go back to your Bitwarden extension. It will open for you your vault. As long as you are on this website on which you saved the password, you'll see the password entry here. Then if you click on view, you can see the details of this password entry as they are displayed here. You can also toggle your password to view it. Then you can also check if the password has been exposed on other websites. Thank you again for watching. That's how you use the Bitwarden password saving. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can manually save your password if Bitwarden doesn't prompt you for the password at all, even after logging out and logging in again. I'll show you how you can add the password manually while you are still on that page. Thank you again for watching. Stay tuned on this series. Remember to subscribe for notifications on future videos. See you soon.